Before you join the Legacy Builder program, watch this review first. This could save you weeks of confusion and wasted effort, because what I'm going to be sharing with you is what you must know to make an informed decision. Now, why can you trust this specific review coming from me? First off, you can see the subscriber count. I have over 30,000 subscribers on this channel, and they're all people that have watched my past reviews where I've reviewed over 100+ digital programs similar to the Legacy Builder. And I'm known, right, and I pride myself on being honest and transparent. And I'm focused on helping beginners choose smart. Now, what the Legacy Builder program actually is, right? Because maybe you've seen people posting on social media, maybe you've seen like TikToks, or maybe people going live and they've been talking about this program. You've heard, $900 commissions. Basically, it's a digital marketing course with resell rights. Okay, so resell rights means you can resell that to other people and keep 100% commissions, which is virtually unheard of. Okay, it's called master resell rights. It's a business in a box structure for beginners. So a lot of beginners, a lot of people that want just a done for them converting business will actually join this, learn from the digital marketing course, and then turn around and resell that to other people. Now, it gives you funnels, email messages, socials, okay, that like how to market on socials, and even some AI stuff. There's weekly support in an active community, which is pretty rare in a lot of these programs also. A lot of them don't have active communities that you can connect to. Now, what you'll learn inside if you do decide to do this, which I want to really cover this for you, is full marketing foundations, funnels and email automation walkthroughs, social media content frameworks, and then AI tools to simplify daily tasks. There's also done-for-you systems. So if you're someone that loves automation, if you love relaxing in an ideal vacation spot, maybe with a loved one, and still generating income, there's actually pre-built funnels inside of this that you can launch quickly. There's done-for-you email sequences for fast conversions. You get templates and even systems built to help beginners move fast. Now, understanding the pricing is crucial, okay, if you do decide to go for this, which I'm going to include a link directly below. I'm actually going to give you something special when you go through that link, but you'll see in a second. But the launch pad is going to be the basic primary level. This is just $100 one time plus a $29 admin fee. Okay, the $29 goes to the creator. There's passive daily blueprint, which is a $300 one-time payment plus a $29 one-time admin fee. Digital mastery is $600, $29. And then the full program, that's by far the most popular. Most people just do that full program. You get everything just with that extra $29 admin fee, and you get the full resell rights you can earn on all the levels at the full program level. Now, what I genuinely like about this is you keep 100% profit on every sale. A lot of these programs, if you want to actually sell them or promote them, you're only keeping maybe 30% commissions, which you need a lot of sales. But with this, you only need a few. If you got one $900 sale every few days, that would probably change your situation, right? Beginner-friendly done-for-you funnels, the weekly calls, okay, so you always have support. And then it's one of the lower prices for the MRR competitors. So the other master resell right competitors, it's one of the lower prices with the most value. Now, where it could be better, okay, this is not a really criticism, just what I want to be honest. It's not ideal if you prefer building everything from scratch. So if you're someone that likes being hands-on on every single thing, then this may not be the best for you. If you dislike structured systems, maybe you want to kind of free flow and you want to just kind of come and go when you please, and you don't like something that's incredibly step-by-step and proven, then again, you may not want to do this. The master resell right model isn't for people avoiding resell rights. If you just, for whatever reason, don't like being able to resell a product that's already done for you, then this may not be for you. And then finally, the tiered pricing may confuse those who like the one simple option. That's why most people just go ahead and do that $900 level, or they even do the payment plan to pay it off and get that $900 level right away because they don't want to focus on the other tiers. Now, who is this great for, right? This is really perfect if you're a beginner wanting a done-for-you digital business, right? Maybe you're someone that wants fast setup and clear steps. You're like, you know what? Send me to the link in the description. Let me sign up and let me just get started. Maybe you're interested in resale rights, right? Again, you love the idea of not having to create your own product. You just plug in and start making money. Now, here is my honest verdict, all the pros and cons. I think it's a very, very strong done-for-you program, especially for beginners. There's a lot of advanced people in there, but if you're a beginner, you're really made for that. Clear steps, resale rights make it very attractive. It's not magic, okay, but it's incredibly doable if you're motivated. And I genuinely think it's worth it for the right person. So here's why I actually decided to reward people for taking action, moving towards their goals, and joining through me today. The reason I'm going to be giving you this bonus package first off, before I share exactly what bonuses you'll get for free when you sign up at the $600 or $900 level today through my link below, I want you to avoid beginner mistakes, right? I want you to join and just start profiting as fast as possible. These bonuses that I've created, they fill the gaps in the traffic and automation section, okay? So that's the one slight thing that's a little bit, it doesn't go into every detail. These bonuses virtually allow you to click a button and have everything imported and allow you to get going. They help you get results much faster, and I truly want you to succeed with Legacy Builder. I don't want them any excuses for you to not be one of the hundreds and hundreds of weekly testimonials and positive stories. Here's your free bonus bundle, my friend. This is insane that I'm doing this, I know, but I really want to reward action takers when you go to the link below. My done-for-you email sequence, okay, this is the most high converting sequence that I've found. It's a $500 value, yours free. The capture page pack, okay, it's $600 value. Those are done-for-you high converting landing pages and capture pages that you'll be able to use in your promotions. The YouTube Wealth Blueprint, how to do very simple screen share YouTube videos that you don't even have to show your face and start getting traffic and sales. $1,000 value, yours free. The TikTok Traffic Vault, you're literally going to get done for you TikTok videos you can post that have been proven to get views. $2,000 value. Solo ads mastery. Solo ads are an incredible way to actually do paid traffic, to pay someone a little bit of money for them to send an email to their email list promoting your offer. And then a Cancun Escape, 5 nights free in a hotel in Cancun, Mexico, valued $1,297. Again, all of this yours free when you get started through the link below. Here's how to claim your bonuses. Again, click the link in the description, sign up, join the Legacy Builder tier you want. Again, $600 or the $900 level qualifies. $900 level is the most popular. It gets you access to everything. Once you join, email your receipt, okay, that you receive upon paying to support@prosperwithgarrett.com. Put the subject Legacy Builder bonuses, and then we'll deliver your bonuses within 24 hours. Really, really excited for you, my friend. If you're on this video, I truly believe you're in the right place. This is the program for you. Go ahead, take advantage of these bonuses. Why not? You're going to join anyway. Why not get these bonuses to make this even easier? Thanks for watching, my friend, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Take care.